Letter number 55. To Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, Allah, the Glorified, has made this world for what is to come hereafter, and put its inhabitants to trial as to which of you is good in action, and we have not been created for this world, nor ordered to strive for it. But we have been made to stay in it to stand trial therein. So, Allah has tried me with you and tried you with me. He has therefore made either of us a plea for the other. Now, you have leapt on the world by a wrong interpretation of the Quran, and wanted me to account for what neither my hand nor tongue was responsible. But you and the Syrians put the blame on me, and your scholar incited against me the ignorant, and one who is standing incited the one who is sitting. You should fear Allah about yourself and not allow Shaitan to lead you. Turn your face towards the next world because that is our path and your path, and fear that Allah may not entangle you in any sudden infliction which may destroy the root as well as cut away the branches. I swear to you by Allah an oath which will not be broken that if destiny brings me and you together I shall steadfastly hold before you, until Allah judges between us, and He is the best of the judges.